How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at Mozilla VPN, and some of you guys have been asking, is this VPN free? Now, the answer is no, it's not free. It's actually $5 a month for the 1-year plan, and I think it's $10 a month for a single month, but you know, most of VPN users will go for a yearly or a 6-month plan. So the yearly plan is at $5 a month. And well, the thing is that this VPN is only available in these locations. Otherwise, you can just simply join the wait list and wait for your turn, or wait until this VPN is available in your country. So hopefully I answered you guys' question. This VPN seems to have some limitations. I'm not exactly sure if there's any other function for this VPN besides encryption. Now, it seems to do a good job. Yeah, I don't have access to the VPN, but I've been taking a look at some user reviews and whatnot, and it seems to do a good job with encryption using the WireGuard protocol. However, with regards to streaming services, it doesn't seem to allow, it doesn't unblock streaming services, so it doesn't seem like they have access to that yet. So it does a pretty good job with regards to security and encryption, and they have over 400 servers in over 30 countries. No bandwidth restrictions, that's a given, you're paying for it. But it does make you pay $5. Now, for $5, that's almost as much as ExpressVPN. And ExpressVPN, with the link in the description down below, you'll be able to get it for $667, which is a much better service. You've got over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. You'll be able to unblock many streaming services and Netflix libraries, and you'll be able to secure up to 5 devices per subscription, similar to Mozilla VPN. But of course, generally speaking, ExpressVPN is going to be much more reliable. Now, another option is NordVPN, which is a super well-rounded VPN. It's available worldwide. You don't have to join a waitlist. And of course, it has many more servers and will give you all the benefits that a VPN can get and much more, especially with regards to bonus features. And this VPN particularly focused, besides the bonus features, that it gives you really good speeds with the NordLynx protocol, making NordVPN arguably the fastest VPN in the industry. You've got over 5,400 servers in 60 countries. Now, if you're looking for the cheapest VPN, the best budget VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost, Surfshark will be a great option. It has over 3,200 servers in 65 countries and will allow you to secure an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription. And even though it's budget friendly, you won't necessarily be sacrificing much on privacy, security, or features for that matter, or speed, because it still has a WireGuard protocol. Now, Surfshark is even cheaper than NordVPN, about half the price of Mozilla VPN, but you're getting much more. So, you know, at the end of the day, it's up to you whether you want to go with Mozilla VPN or not. But if you're looking to unblock streaming services and proper encryption, this is just my recommendation. Go with one of these VPNs rather than Mozilla VPN. So, again, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs, pricing policy, speed streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.